Hey, in this video, I will show you the advanced level welcomes that will upgrade your Discord server, and will give them a reason to stay. So don't skip this video. The first step is, invite a Mimu bot in your server and give it admin or individual channel perm. It's your choice. But make sure to place it above member's role. Now I'm expecting everybody to know the basic Mimu commands, but if you're new to this bot, just follow me. Right now we will create a welcome embed. Click Edit Basic Information button. Here, we will start adding the title and description. Now remember that everything is available in my Discord server. All you have to do is just join my main server. On both sides of an emoji, I am adding backtick symbols. Notice this carefully. I will do the same thing for description too. As for hex color, I will use light blue color code. Make sure to add a hashtag before the code. There we have it. Doesn't it look cool? It will look even cooler after having banner and thumbnail. Here's a pro tip. When you add banner link, it won't work. Go to the end of the link and add .gif. It will work then. And there's our welcome message. But wait, we are not done yet. We need to make it functionable. That's why type /embed set message. Inside it, type hi user embed, welcome or your embed's name. Make sure it's spelling it correct. If the bot doesn't have admin perm, make sure to give it embed link perm in the welcome channel. Now add the welcome channel. I'm sure you already have a welcome channel. Once that's done, run test command to see if it works. And I suppose there we go. The welcome message is working so well. All these commands will be available in my main Discord server. Anyway, I won't talk now. I will show you a time-lapse of the other themes I've made. Now this is important. I will show you how to add your server emojis here. But first, duplicate your Discord browser tab. In one tab, your embed will be opened, and in the other, you can grab server emoji. Go to the other tab and type \, and then send any emoji from your server. It will convert it into a code. Now just copy that code and paste it in the embed box. This way, you can add your server emojis inside any embed. And now see, this is what the end product looks like. I can elevate this even further by adding a reactant role. For this, we will use Mimu's button roll feature. Now this will be also a time-lapse since there's not much to explain. You know what? Just watch it. The button responder has been created. Now watch how to add this into your welcome message. It's way simple. Open your embed and type add button. Write your button's name. It's that simple. You can add multiple buttons here if you want. Now just run test greet. We will check if the reactant role works. If it does, I should receive she/her pronoun role. And I did. Don't you think it's cool? Now, if you want to make your life easier, just join my main Discord server, go to bot commands, and find all the resources there that I have used in the server. You can make advanced level welcome messages even without lifting your finger. We have banner, thumbnail, layout, and even commands available. All of the themes that I have created are also available. You won't find these banners anywhere. I turn them into GIF. Now I can't emphasize you enough to join Mimu server if you face any problem. You just need to go to its support channel. Anyway, this video took me some time to make. A sub to the channel would help me boost the algorithm. Let me know which theme was your favorite in the comments. Until next time, bye everyone, and touch the damn grass.